taking on the challenge of designing my ultimate dream bathroom remodel. Let's see if I can bring my vision to life. A well-designed bathroom can totally transform your daily routine and make your home feel more luxurious. Imagine stepping into a spa-like oasis every morning, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. It's not just about aesthetics, a functional and beautiful bathroom can also increase your home's value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to upgrade your space, a bathroom remodel can be a game changer. When it comes to bathroom remodels, people often focus on the big picture, but it's the little details that can make a huge difference. Think about the feel of the tiles under your feet, the sound of the water flowing, or the smell of the fresh paint. These sensory experiences can elevate your bathroom from functional to fantastic. Plus, a well-designed bathroom can be a great way to unwind after a long day, making it a vital part of your home. For many of us, the bathroom is a sanctuary, a place to relax and recharge. So, it's essential to get the design right. From the layout to the fixtures, every element should work together to create a cohesive and calming space. And, let's not forget about the wow factor. A stunning bathroom can be a major selling point if you decide to put your house on the market. So, what makes a bathroom remodel truly special? It's all about finding that perfect balance between form and function. You want a space that's not only beautiful but also practical and easy to use. With a little creativity and planning, you can turn your bathroom into a dream come true. Planning a bathroom remodel can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to stay within budget. It's easy to get caught up in Pinterest's perfect designs, but the reality is that renovations can be costly. Homeowners often struggle to prioritize their spending, wondering where to splurge and where to save. And then there's the stress of living without a functional bathroom for weeks or even months. Space limitations are another major challenge. Many bathrooms are cramped, making it tough to fit in all the essentials. You might need to get creative with storage solutions or opt for compact fixtures. And let's not forget about the plumbing and electrical work. It's crucial to hire professionals to avoid costly mistakes. Design choices can also be daunting, with countless options for materials, colors, and styles. You might find yourself agonizing over tile patterns or fixture finishes, worried that you'll make the wrong choice. To make matters worse, trends come and go, and you want to ensure your bathroom doesn't look dated in a few years. Adding to the stress is the fear of making costly mistakes. A single misstep can lead to pricey repairs down the line. That's why it's essential to do your research, consult with experts, and plan carefully. By being prepared, you can minimize risks and achieve your dream bathroom. Of course, there's also the issue of functionality. You want your bathroom to be functional, but that doesn't mean it can't be stylish. Think about your daily routine and how you can optimize the space to make your life easier. For example, a double sink can be a game changer for busy households. Some homeowners might struggle with finding inspiration for their bathroom remodel. If you're stuck, try browsing design websites, visiting showrooms, or even taking a friend's bathroom tour. Seeing different designs in person can help spark your creativity. Ultimately, the key to a successful bathroom remodel is careful planning and a clear vision. By understanding your needs, setting a realistic budget, and choosing the right materials, you can create a space that's both beautiful and functional. When it comes to designing your dream bathroom, the possibilities are endless. You can opt for a sleek, modern look with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. Or, you might prefer a more traditional, ornate style with intricate patterns and luxurious fixtures. One popular trend is the spa-like bathroom, complete with a soaking tub, rain shower head, and heated floors. These features can create a relaxing oasis that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Another option is the coastal-inspired bathroom, with its calming colors, natural textures, and beachy accessories. Materials play a huge role in bathroom design, and there are countless options to choose from. You might opt for classic ceramic tiles, trendy glass tiles, or even natural stone. The right materials can add texture, depth, and visual interest to your space. Fixtures and fittings are also crucial, from faucets to lighting. You can choose from a range of styles, from sleek and modern to ornate and traditional. Don't forget about the little details, like towel bars and toilet paper holders. These can add a touch of personality to your space. To take your bathroom to the next level, consider adding some smart features, like a heated towel rack or a smart mirror. These can enhance your daily routine and make your life easier. Incorporating plants or a living wall can also bring a touch of nature indoors, creating a calming and peaceful atmosphere. And, let's not forget about the power of lighting. It can totally transform the ambience of your bathroom. If you're looking for inspiration, consider checking out design blogs, social media, or home decor magazines. You can also visit showrooms or model homes to see different designs in person. One stunning example of a bathroom transformation is a before and after project that showcases a dramatic makeover. Imagine a dated, cramped bathroom transformed into a spacious, spa-like oasis. With a new layout, modern fixtures, and luxurious materials, this bathroom becomes a true retreat. Such transformations aren't just about aesthetics, they can also improve the functionality of your bathroom. By optimizing the layout and adding smart features, you can create a space that's both beautiful and practical. The best part is that you don't need to break the bank to achieve a stunning bathroom remodel. With careful planning, creative thinking, and a clear vision, you can create a space that's both functional and gorgeous. In conclusion, a dream bathroom remodel requires careful planning, creative thinking, and a clear vision. By understanding your needs, setting a realistic budget, and choosing the right materials, you can create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Your bathroom should be a reflection of your personal style, a space where you can relax, recharge, and feel your best. Whether you're looking for a spa-like oasis or a coastal-inspired retreat, the possibilities are endless. So, take the first step towards your dream bathroom remodel. Start by imagining your perfect space. Think about your needs, your style, and your budget. With a little creativity and planning, you can turn your vision into a reality. And don't forget to share your own dream bathroom ideas in the comments below. If you're looking for more home improvement inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos.